I didn't think I could do this. I've failed before, not just once, but enough times to start believing the problem was me. I felt like I was drowning in funnels that didn't float. I'd click the links, watch the webinars, bought the courses, and every time I ended up more confused, more overwhelmed, and more convinced that maybe this whole make money online thing was just smoke and mirrors. But then I found something different, something that actually ranks. Today I'm showing you exactly how I'm rebuilding from zero using a simple funnel, a bridge page, and daily list building. And if you ever felt like this wasn't for you, stay with me, because what shifted for me might shift something for you. I wasn't a marketer, I wasn't tech savvy, I didn't have a big audience or flashy funnels. I was just me, quiet, observant, skeptical. But something shifted when I found the Home Business Academy, not just because it promised overnight success, but because for the first time I felt like I belonged. No hype, no pressure, just real people building with real affiliate businesses with tools that actually make sense. The first time I saw the funnel builder was $25 a month, no upsells, no fluff. I built my first page in under an hour, and it worked. And if you ever felt like affiliate marketing was too complicated, this system simplifies everything. Then I discovered the rest of the HBA ecosystem, the coaching, the community. So you can choose. You can go to AI and search for information, right? Or go to a live agent. Not just to sell, but to serve. I started learning how to write emails that felt like conversations. Just how to create videos that didn't need fancy editing. Just honesty. How to build trust-first assets that didn't chase clicks, they earned them. Comment your biggest challenge below. I read every one. And slowly things started to move. Not fast, not viral, but real. A few clicks, a few leads, a few sales, and then something deeper, confidence. Save this for later if you're not ready yet, but don't forget to come back. I wasn't just copying someone else's funnel, I was building my own. I wasn't just repeating someone else's script, I was telling my story. And people listened because they saw themselves in me. The quiet one, the skeptic, the reluctant hero. I didn't need to shout to be heard. I just needed to whisper something true. I didn't need a big budget. I didn't need a big following. I didn't need to be perfect. I just needed to start. Start with the funnel builder, build one page, share one story, watch what happens. Now I want to show you that I'm actually using this live and how easy it is to actually do something. So we're going to go to funnel builder, start here, right? And that's going to take us to the funnel builder login, right? I'm going to actually do this live. Okay, so bear with me. Okay, so we're going to go to an actual video funnel and show you how easy it is to change stuff, okay? When you know what you're doing and you follow the system, the easy tools, okay? So we're going to go to, I think this one. No, this one. Okay. So we're going to go to Affiliate Mentor Best Bonuses Ever. As another video by me, okay? But watch what happens when we actually change this stuff, okay? I don't know what I just clicked. Give me a minute, I'll be right back, okay? I see what I did. Okay. So, we're going to copy and we're going to paste it. Okay? See how it changed right here? Now we're going to go back to the video, okay? We're going to share the link, okay? Copy and paste, simple. If you know what you're doing, right? And yeah, this is live, so there is mistakes that actually get made. I'm clicking into the drawing tool. I don't know why I'm doing that, but give me a minute. Copy. Alright. And we're going to edit video. And we're going to paste this. Now watch. It's a guy holding money, right? But this is a different guy, right? Affiliate Mentor Best Bonuses Ever. See how it's the same? Affiliate Mentor Best Bonuses Ever. Pretty simple, right? And watch. I'm actually using this. You see all these video funnels? I'll click one, okay? You'll see. Okay, no, we're going to discard the changes. Okay, there's one. Here's another one. Okay, so you actually see that I'm actually using this tool, right? My first funnel converted 8% with zero paid traffic. That's when I knew this wasn't hype, it was leverage. Because this isn't just about affiliate marketing. It's about momentum. It's about reclaiming your time, your voice, your future, and your time freedom. If you've ever felt like this wasn't for you, if you've ever watched from the sidelines, wondering if you really could do this, let me tell you, you can. You don't need permission, you just need a path. And this one works. This is why Home Business Academy ranks affiliate system that we worked with. It's just a search term. It's a turning point. I want to show you something else real quick. That actually we're building a team site system that's built with HBA, for HBA, right? It'll teach you how to build any online business, whether it's HBA or anything else you're trying to build, okay? Watch this. This will actually show you how you not only will you teach you how attraction marketing, how to build traffic leads and sales, but we'll teach your team too with over-the-shoulder video and live training. Okay, now look at this. Oh, well, affiliate matter best bonuses. Okay, give me a second to type this. And you can see I'm not signed in, right? Look on the top right. Okay, so the best number one thing, this is a sponsor video, this is an ad, is affiliate mentor best bonuses ever. That's my video, okay? And look, volume 49, competition low. It doesn't matter. You can rank for hard stuff too with this training. And I'm only going to name people on our team. What is affiliate mentor? That was by Postcard Lifestyle. And here's another one from Make Money On with JJ. Again, that's me. Mr. Orange Dream, another team member. So is Postcard Lifestyle. So is Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. And some of these big things, Journey with Hittens, have big fucking, look, 118 views, 1.3 million views. But it's ranking higher than that, right? With, get this, 3 views. Okay, here's another one, Postcard Lifestyle. Here's another one, Make Money On with JJ. If you follow this training, not only will you rank your videos on YouTube and even Google, but your people will too. You can build a team with this training, okay? It's when I joined Affiliate Mentor, I wanted the team site. I wanted the training. I wanted to learn attraction marketing. I wanted to learn how to rank on YouTube and Google, okay? Here's another one, Postcard Lifestyle. Here's another one, Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money On with JJ, okay? Postcard Lifestyle. Are you getting the picture? You can do this if you stay consistent. I showed you how to actually change your... Okay, look, I'm going to do this again. I think I still have it. So I'm going to change the video, okay? Paste. Boom. Affiliate Mentor best bonuses ever, okay? This is real easy. We take you through it, and so does HBA. Can you imagine getting 80% commissions month after month? You bring a person in, you get paid month after month after month. So September, October, November, December, January, and you can scale with that. You don't have to start over from month to month. Like if you're in a MLM downline or whatever, for example, or you're doing affiliate marketing. You're starting from scratch every month, right? Not this. This is residual based. So if you have 50 people, you're making $1,000 a month plus what you get that month. Does that make sense? You have residual bills, right? You need residual income. I mean, this is pretty simple stuff. You have rent, you have electricity, you have maybe water, garbage, sewer. I'm not even depress you. I'm just being real. You have electricity, right? You need residual income to get out of the hole you might be in, or get to the goals you want. My particular goal is to be able to live, start living, planning for retirement, right? To start working on being able to spend more time with my friends and my family and actually enjoy life. I'm in my early 50s, okay? My time is limited, okay? and I want to be able to impact lives, okay? Share this with someone who's stuck. You might be the reason they finally move forward. I want to show you a few more things about the system in HBA, okay? Right here is a video by one of the founders, okay? You play it, okay? 9 minutes, okay? They have a Facebook group. They have how to get into it, right? They have the AI assistant Sage right here in the corner that comes up, okay? Funnel builder training, creating your first funnel. Video 1, overall strategy to use. You're not lost. You're not thing. Look at this. They have done for you funnels too, right? 3K per month done for you funnel. How to set it up. Set up your domain name. Set up your autoresponder. These are simple steps that will show you banners, okay? Okay, I'll try you a different one, okay? It's a done for you funnel, okay? Online recruiting secrets. And the funnel banners for online secrets, okay? How to do it, step by step, right? And the step-by-step things on how to do it. Pretty cool, right? That looks pretty fucking phenomenal, right? Are you seeing this? The miracle formula that puts my network marketing business on steroids and may be the #1 rep in my entire company. Click here to watch. That's the person on the front page. Look at that. Wait, let's go back. Okay. Funnel Builder Academy. Paul Hutchings. Okay. These and they actually still feed starving children. So another cool thing besides the 80% commissions. Every $25 you pay $25 a month, you earn $20 a month residually for every person on your team. Pretty cool, right? And it feeds starving children. And it's been around for years and years. So maybe you have Russell Brunson's funnel builder. I think that ClickFunnels starts at $97 a month. This is $25, okay? Not only can you make money with this, you can save money with this. It's super powerful, and like I showed you, I'm using the actual funnels every single day, okay? Look at all these video funnels, okay? We show you the actual steps you need for attraction marketing. We show you what everybody else is scared to. We will help you. We will train you. And we're not going to hide anything or sugarcoat anything, okay? Look at this, okay? This is the type of funnels you need, okay? That sets you apart from everybody else, okay? Here it is. So here's the first page, right here, I think. I clicked off of it. Okay, work with JJ. So you click on you want more information from YouTube or a different social media, right? You put your first name, your last name, and then you say, yes, I want in. Then it takes you to this one. I'm sorry, I have a lot of windows open. Okay, takes you to this one. This is not a company funnel, okay? It looks like HBA, but it's different. This is, okay, that was affiliate better. Let me see. Oh, well, let's just bring it up. John Solid. I know. Give me a second. I just dropped my mouse. See, this is live. Things happen on the live, okay? HBA CP. Okay, so this is what it looks. Oh, thank you. Okay, so that's HBA CP, and this is HBA. Thank you. This is the actual video, okay? And you can play it. It looks like HBA, right? It's congruent, right? And you click it, and it plays my video, shows my phone number. I don't know why there's 2 bars up here. But anyways, share this with someone who's stuck. You might be the reason they finally move forward. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good night, everyone. Peace.